Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef at home. First, let's talk about choosing the right cut. For quick cooking methods like grilling or pan searing, opt for tender cuts such as ribeye or tenderloin. If you prefer slow cooking, perhaps for a hearty stew or pot roast, cuts like chuck roast or brisket will become wonderfully tender over several hours. Top sirloin offers a great balance of flavor and leanness for many preparations. Next, let's prepare your beef for cooking. Generously season your chosen cut with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and other spices like garlic powder or smoked paprika. For searing, heat a heavy skillet, ideally cast iron, over high heat with a high smoke point oil until it's shimmering. Place the beef in the hot pan and sear for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, creating a beautiful, flavorful crust. Achieving your desired doneness is key to a great beef dish. Always use a reliable meat thermometer for accuracy. For a juicy medium rare steak, aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer medium, target 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, ground beef must reach a safe internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit to be fully cooked and safe to enjoy. The final, crucial step for tender, juicy beef is resting. After cooking, remove your beef from the heat. Allow steaks to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. For larger roasts, 15 to 30 minutes is ideal. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is succulent. Loosely tenting with foil helps keep it warm without continuing to cook. Then, slice and enjoy your perfectly prepared beef.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.